Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Tome app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use your Tome app, first of all you need to get signed up and create a workspace. After you have done this, you need to choose a plan. Tome offers a free tier with basic features, and for advanced AI capabilities you need to go for Tome Pro. Then you need to create your profile by selecting your roles and stuff like that. And once you are logged in into your platform, you can also get referrals and earn credits with the help of the newly created account. Now, after doing this, you need to now initiate a new project by clicking on the create button. So after doing this as well, you can generate contents using prompts. Like you need to simply type a prompt like create a presentation about different kind of topics and customize your presentation accordingly. Now, enhancing your presentation, you can simply use templates and themes that are provided on your Tome's library, and there are different kind of AI tools that you can use to edit your presentation as well. You can also share and collaborate your work with different kind of friends on your Tome app, and this is how you generally use your Tome. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.